quick update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And as you can see, we have a big push down out of natural gas and also broke below the zone on smaller time frame, but we are still in the level of support. If you look at on daily time frame, we are still in this level and this candle has not closed yet. So at this point, looking at the bearish momentum, I'm not really expecting a big bounce out of this area of value, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. But what I'm expecting is just a big pullback. Looking at the fact the price is now in the oversold situation, and with this big pullback, looking at this area, that is what I'm expecting. If we have a conditions like bullish engulfer, let's say if this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, in that case I'm expecting some bounce, and then I will only look for sell trades below 50 EMA, as now price is trading below 50 EMA. If we have a push up followed by bearish engulfing candle, I'm going to go short and I will use 1 ATR for my target. Remember, it is very important to keep your stop loss. It is very important to align with your take profit and stop loss and cut your profits in time. Now I've seen lots of traders, they have bought here, looking at the fact the price is now getting oversold. They've bought here, they've bought here, and I've got lots of messages that they are in a loss, and I really don't understand why you buy here in between the area of value where there is no condition. Either you buy above 50 EMA once you have a condition with a pullback with a bullish engulfer, or either you buy at the area of value at the support level. Now, do you see any sort of conditions here? No, we have no condition. So when there is no condition, we are not buying. If you see here, we had a valid bullish engulfer, and that was a reason to enter, and that pushed the price higher. The price is trading above 50 EMA. In that case, if we have a valid condition like this above 50 EMA, that we have a valid condition to enter buy trades. When there is no condition, there is no need to enter and use your hard-earned money as just a gambling. So please be sure, look for the condition. Without condition, you are not trading, just gambling. It doesn't matter if the price is overbought, oversold. All you need to look at the price action that talks to you and give you signals that what's going to happen next, more likely. Now at this point, all I'm looking at a good pullback that can go up to 20 EMA or that can go up to 50 EMA as well. Looking at the fact we are now in the support and we have no signal yet. It is not a valid bearish signal. In case you are wondering, all I want to see for the bearish trade, if I want to use this zone as my trend continuation zone bearish, a push down, a good momentum, and then a pullback, and then I use this zone for the bearish engulfers to take my sell trade. For now, I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and have these zones on your charts, and only enter your trades once we have a conditions. We do have a minor level of support which is right down here on this platform. If you are trading here, which is 2.240, that goes to 2.278, from where we can expect some pullbacks and then a possible continuation towards the downside, and the zone below is a very big level. If the price falls there, then we can expect some big bounce. Now the zone that is broken, that was also a very good and weekly level. If you see here, that zone has reacted nicely multiple times. That is why I was looking at this level for my possible entries. As you can see, we do not have any entries, so we are not taking any trades. So all I'm looking at, pullback and bearish engulfers, and keep on taking shots till we are here and look for the condition for the little bounce, and then look for the further entry conditions. Now if you look here on capital.com, we are still in the level of support. So all I'm looking at, a valid condition. Now like I said, on Oanda we can expect some bounce, and looking at the fact the price is at the support area, that is why if the price pushes up from here, if we have an entry trigger here, if we have a pullback on the other platforms, if we have a condition something like this, if you see, that is a very strong bullish engulfing pattern, and that pushed the price up. So I want to see something like this in this zone. If we have a strong bullish engulfer or a double bottom condition, in that case I will go long, and that is just a pullback which is enough to hit my target, and my targets will be 1 ATR initially, the number right here if you see, and then I will exit and look for a next condition that will be my sell trade. So first I will look for my buy condition, and then I will exit once my target is hit, as we are now below 50 and 20 EMA, and if the price action forms bearish engulfer, in that case I will go short. I want to give you a very good example so that you understand what I mean by condition here, and then take sell trade, which is right here. Now if you see here, the reason I'm telling you, from the minor zone we can expect some bounce that is enough to hit your target. Now this bounce, which is a bullish engulfing pattern at the area of value, if you look at on the gold example, which and the ATR above is 9. So as you can see, the price pushes up from here $9 right here, I would exit my trade here as we are below 50 EMA, and then I will look for a next sell condition which we have here and which we had right here, I'm going to go for in a gold analysis, and then I entered my sell trade. So that is how we need to pull money out of the market with the proper stops and targets. Coming back on natural gas, this is what I'm looking at here on capital.com. If you have a condition here, I'm going to go long and I will look for another sell trade below 50 EMA and keep on taking shots till I see a condition to enter buy trade. If we come back in this area, I will look for a double bottom entry pattern. Again, if you have a condition here, I will look for a little bounce, then I will go short below 50 EMA with condition, and then I will keep on taking shots till we are back in the zone. And if we are broken below this area, which is a very big level, if you look back, this level has acted as a good level of significance. Price has massively pushed up from this level multiple times. That is why I'm expecting some bounce from here, and if you have a condition below 50 EMA, only then I will go for my sell trade. If there is no condition, I will not enter my sell trade. Either you can manage your trades and prepare for the reversals. If there is no reversals, if the price pushes back down, you will out and break even or take your profits and look for next condition. I will look for next buy reversal trades only once we are broken above 20 and 50 EMA both. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my trades. On NEMEX, I just want to give you the zones, which is right here, the zone which is broken with a gap down opening, which is 2.441, that goes to 2.555. Again, I've already mentioned the zones in my yesterday's video. We can get a possible retest of the zone above, and we can get a possible bearish engulfer, and price will likely push lower. The next zone for buy on this platform, it is 2.018, that goes to 2.169, from where we can expect a good pullback that is enough to hit your targets, and then we will look for the next condition. So conditions are very important. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Right here we have gold. It's now pushed lower, and as you can see, we had a nice bearish engulfing pattern. Mentioned yesterday clearly that we have a sell signal and price is going to push down at least $8. That has happened, and take profit here has been hit. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. So as you can see, the price forms a bearish engulfing pattern close back below 50 EMA. That is one of my valid sell signal. I'm now expecting a price to push lower at least $8. That is the ATR telling me, and then once the price pushes lower, exit my trade and see. If you want to manage it, you can manage it till recent low. Awesome. So that is how we enter the trades, with the signals, with the price action telling us yes, we have engulfed the buyers, and now we're going to push down likely, and we have ATR. One ATR target has been hit, and then the price pushing back up, and I look for the next condition, which will be if we are broken above 50 EMA and above this high, only then I start to look for my next buy trades. If the price pushes lower again equal to this low, in that case I will look for a possible double bottom with a condition like bullish engulfers or a 382 candle here on this rejection area equal to this first bottom. If I have that conditions, I will go long from here. If we are broken above this high, I will start to look for my long trades only. So I'm only looking for conditions, not looking for any trades till we are broken above this high, or if the price pushes lower till this recent low and then forms some sort of signal for buy trades. If broken below this low, in that case we have a trend continuation towards the downside to the level below in green, which I'm going to mention in my next video. Then we have silver. Silver is broken below, and as you can see, as mentioned yesterday, that we have a valid sell signal, and then price pushes lower. Now that is also one of a buying condition, and if you would have entered here, that would have hit your stop loss, because one ATR wouldn't have been hit right here. Just to let you know, in case you're wondering, ATR of this candle is 17. So the target looks something like this. Barely hit the take profit, but unfortunately it didn't, and then the price pushes lower and again form a sell signal that played out nicely, and price pushes lower. At this point, the price is retesting the zone that has been broken, which is 22.25, that goes to 22.65. Now we can get a possible push up below 50 EMA if you have a bearish engulfing pattern, again something like this. I'm going to go short again and keep on taking shots till the price gets to the next level, which is 20.59, that goes to 20.98, from where I will look for my next buy trades with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. Only looking for sell trades here on silver. Once I have a condition again like a bearish engulfer, I will go short and keep on taking shots till we are in the level below in green. If in case we have a dramatic push up without any conditions above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my buy trades. For now, not looking for any buy trades until we are trading below all the EMAs and the zone as well. So last one we have crude oil. It's pushing up nicely. As mentioned in my last video, if you follow me, we are pushing up from this trend line again. Right here we are pushing up, now approaching a level of minor anchor, which is 75.00. that goes to 75.95, from where we can expect some pullbacks. It can likely push down to this trend line again before the price will head higher. So only looking for sell trades from this zone if we have a conditions like bearish engulfers or a double top entry pattern. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short a little scalp, and then I will look for buy trades as now we are above 50 EMA. Once we have broken above this high, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs till we are in the level above, which is 78.06. that goes to 79.97, from where we can expect some nice push down. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any question, any confusion, you can always email me at support@thewaitofmoneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.